Hi there, it's Chris Perkins with HaliPad Real Estate Inc. Today I'm going to give you a brief overview on what the market has done in the last 12 months, and I'm going to try not to bore you in the process. Back in January of 2022, the market was absolutely insane and every house was going into multiple offers where you were competing with sometimes up to 15 or 20 other buyers. At the peak of our market, houses were selling for 122% of their asking price. Thankfully, that is no longer happening. The government has increased interest rates significantly, which has inevitably slowed down our market. Our sales are down by 27%, and our prices are down 15% from the peak. They are, however, up 3% year over year. We are coming to the end of the government's interest rate increase cycle. We believe there's probably one more. Once that occurs, the uncertainty in the market is likely to subside. People will know what their interest rates are, they know what their monthly payments are, and they know what they are going to be able to afford. Once the uncertainty is gone, we believe the fundamentals of supply and demand will then take over. We simply do not have enough homes for sale in the Halifax area. We have 1.6 months of inventory, which means if nothing else were listed, it would take 1.6 months for everything to sell. Anything less than 3 months is considered a seller's market where we see competition and upwards price growth. For some perspective, in 2019, we had between 3 and 4 months of inventory and prices went up nearly 10% that year. I'm not looking for a market for unsustainable growth. I hated the market last year, in January last year. It was completely terrible. But we have a supply problem, and there is no amount of government intervention or programming which is going to fix that. What we need are more homes for sale. The only way we can do that is if people who currently live in them sell them, or more likely, we build more. I don't think we're going to build fast enough to keep up with demand. Last year, we had 28,000 people move to Nova Scotia. The next highest year on record was 11,000. I love the fact that people are coming to our great province. However, we have nowhere to put them. Until we fix that issue, I think we are going to see a continued pressure on prices, and unfortunately, that means prices are going to start to increase again through 2023. If you are thinking of buying or selling, or just have questions about the market in general, reach out to one of us at HaliPad and we'll make sure you have all of the information you need to make the most of your next move. Thank you. I'm Chris Perkins, broker owner with HaliPad Real Estate Inc.